Oh, no.
Hit and play.
Okay, go ahead.
No, don't you fucking record while we're watching this.
I'm trying. Oh no, it hurts so bad.
Good, so don't.
Oh, it's like up in my soul. Oh, why is it?
Talk about that tonight is so funny.
It's not as cute this time.
It's not.
It hurts. I told you it hurts.
Laughing.
Oh, I gotta hold my breath.
Are you aware of what the 7th most popular ride at Disneyland is? Minnie Mouse? Oh, yes, that's fun. No.
Oh,
It's the haunted
ow, that hurt with my nose closed.
The 3rd most popular holiday in America is Halloween. Christmas is actually second to Thanksgiving. People love
Jesus.
I'm in pain.
The kind of controlled fears you get from a roller coaster or a haunted house or a
Yeah, they know what it is.
vaccination. A little bit of that anxiety helps you with healing your overall.
That didn't scare me. You know, I play games like a lot. You have to up your game to scare me.
Alright, I'll write a script.
You're gonna have to get like a mask, another person, like I didn't expect to be here.
I'll call Matt right now. He'll come.
Oh,
If I call him, he will come.
I promised. I
Are
promised.
you recording?
Yeah.
They don't need the help of an evil
I
spirit.
shouldn't have said. I wouldn't have said his name.
Oh,
This place just seems to have attracted some bad folks, that's all. And we're gonna take advantage of it.
I'm not watching a weird show that nobody knows about.
We can get a vote in all this.
Oh God.
Sorry. Are you really frightened about me?
No, not at all.
Maybe get your 9,000 views of your soul crushing like hiccups.
They hurt, and I hope it goes away because I'm focusing.
Honey, I love
Because they're gonna hear my stupid
Yeah, shut up.
practicality. This is our dream. Our house flippers.
I'm telling you, shut up for you.
If it doesn't work out, we'll never be home. Okay? Honest.
Oh wait, don't make me laugh. I'm gonna hiccup.
It's gonna be good, huh? Hey, you wanna go upstairs and get that towel for the second bath?
Trying to stop. They hurt.
Good.
They hurt.
Okay, so they know it's the house, Madison.
Yeah, I know. I told you she's gonna say it was the house on meth or something. I'm talking about what I'm watching.
She said that she hopes the ghost kill her.
I know. She knows what happened there. I'm watching something that's not copyrighted, so don't pay attention to what's going on
Well, it's
behind
definitely
me.
copyrighted.
For real. You literally